Are you dreaming of owning your own home, but worried about how an arrangement to pay might affect your mortgage application? Well, in this video, we'll explore the impact of an arrangement to pay on your journey to home ownership. An arrangement to pay is an arrangement between borrowers and their creditors when they're struggling to meet the original repayment terms of their credit agreement. It often occurs when an unforeseen circumstance like a reduction in income make it difficult to keep up with the payments. For example, imagine you took out a personal loan and had to repay £100 each month. But due to a change in your circumstances, such as working fewer hours or being made temporarily unable to work, you find it impossible to make the full payment. Now, you might be wondering if an arrangement to pay is worse than defaulting on your credit. The answer is no. A default occurs when you fail to repay your credit without finding a resolution, and it can lead to legal action and debt enforcement measures. On the other hand, opting for an arrangement to pay is a better alternative. It shows your willingness to work with your creditor and to find a solution. When you agree to pay less than the original repayment amount, this information is recorded on your credit report, which can have a negative effect on your credit score. Your credit file will be marked with an AR, an indication that you're using an arrangement to pay. It's important to remember that any debt solution involving reduced payments will negatively impact your credit score. So, will an arrangement to pay affect your mortgage application? The short answer is yes, but it's not the end of the road. You can still obtain a mortgage with a previous or existing arrangement to pay. However, there are two key ways in which it can impact your application. Firstly, an arrangement to pay can reduce your credit score and diminish the mortgage provider's confidence in your ability to make timely mortgage payments. If they see a recent or ongoing arrangement to pay, they may offer less favourable terms, such as a higher interest rate. Secondly, an arrangement to pay can increase your outgoings, which in turn decreases your borrowing power. Lenders will consider these existing repayments, including any future ones, when calculating how much you can afford to borrow. An arrangement to pay remains on your credit file for as long as it continues, or for 6 years from the date it was started, after which it should be automatically deleted. If you're struggling with debt, then there are a number of debt solution options available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others will include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description below to get started and answer a few multiple choice questions like the total amount of debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so that you can find out more and take steps towards improving your financial situation.